Yo, yo, yo! This is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. As you can see on the top, this is main story co-op mode. And we're gonna battle. Challenge Paulo and Wikstrom and Wulfric very hard. Let's do it. Okay. This match is too fun.
Now's my chance. I've got this. Now's my chance.
Let's just use Earthquake.
Now's my chance. I've got this. Now. Leave it to me. I've got this.
So little damage. Oh my goodness. 72.
I've got this. Now's my chance. Now. Now's my chance. This is it. Now. This is it.
Unity Max. Should I switch?
Mystery. Unite. Cool.
Let's just switch.
Now's my chance.
Wow, strong.
Now's my chance. Leave it to me. This is it. This is it. These adversaries. Come on back. We're gonna set things on fire. There you go. Now. Now's my chance. It won't go easy on you.
Uh-oh.
It won't go easy on you. Here we go.
What the? Oh no. So strong.
Leave this to our turn.
Come on.
Did I miscalculate? Now's my chance. We're gonna set things on fire.
We're on fire.
You're finished. Try this on for size.
No.
What? No way. Our turn.
How could you?
You're finished. I've got this. Right on. Now go.
Sorry guys, kind of blanked out there. Didn't eat anything. And kind of groggy. Feeling weak. But that was very hard, guys. Chapter 22, very hard. Defeated. Done. Thank you so much for watching. And please give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. And chapters 23 and 24 are coming up in the next few videos. I'll see you guys there. Rawr.